Right guys, what I'm going to be showing you today is my top 2 cryptocurrencies under $1. That's right, everyone can get involved in this one. It's literally less than $1 to invest into one coin. Now you may think, oh, they're not going to be that great. However, Bitcoin was at one point under $1 and it's now going to be testing the 100k barrier, and it peaked at $110,000 per coin. Now, they potentially won't have that growth, but they will have some growth to them. I'm going to be showing you exactly what they are, as well as coin market cap as well, showing you exactly where to look for and the price prediction potentially for them both. Just remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right, up first is Arbitrum. That's arbitrum.foundation. Link will be down in the description for you to do your own due diligence. You can see that Arbitrum, or ARB, as some people may notice or may have seen it on on coin market cap, but what it is they are saying it's the future of Ethereum. What it means is it empowers the development and governance of Arbitrum technology and helps foster growth and success within the ecosystem. You can already see they've put a lot of effort in the website, which is obviously very important, because if you come across like a website that you've maybe found on Paint, it's not going to be something. So the fact that they've put this in and they've got everything in place is a big tick. Okay, they have the scalability where transactions are confirmed quickly and cheaply, making it ideal for applications with high transaction volume. Not only that, they have security. As decentralized rollup, Arbitrum inherits the security of Ethereum, arguably the number 2 in the cryptocurrency world. Compatibility, compatible with all existing Ethereum tools and applications. Now, Arbitrum is a suite of powerful layer 2 scaling solutions, making the blockchain technology more inclusive and sustainable for everyone in a secure way. Now, if we look at CoinMarketCap, this is on the last week's time frame. You can see nothing but green. Obviously, we had this little red period on the first day of the week. However, we have done nothing but push up. If we go over to the bar graph, which we like to see, and we can head on over to TradingView, and this will be on the weekly time frame as well. So obviously, bearing in mind that the week is only like these last candles, so do not be put off by this balance over here. However, what is good to see in this period that we can see here is that obviously we was in a downtrend. But we have now pushed past that high. The high I'm talking about is this one here. Okay, so that would have been what they call a higher low. And then because we've pushed past it, you'll likely see this come down a little bit just to touch onto this support blue line now, and then rally off and go back up. So this is why this is a very good position to get involved. We can see the likes of all the other coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, everyone else have done the same. Now, in the last 7 days, this has gone up a massive 11.7%. So obviously the total volume within the last 24 hours is increased by nearly 5%. And the market cap is at a steady 1.6 billion. Now, number 2 on my list is Casper. Okay, so casper.org. Again, link will be down in the description for you to do your own due diligence. But what is Casper? Okay, so Casper is the fastest open source, decentralized, fully scalable layer 1 in the world. Okay, so it's the world's first block DAG, a digital ledger enabling parallel blocks and instant transaction confirmation. Built on a robust proof of work engine with rapid single second block intervals. Now, what you can see here is the DAA score target of $110 million. Okay, so what we're going to do is take a look at the benefits and the features of Casper before I show you the trade analysis over on CoinMarketCap. Okay, so what they have is fastest transactions, instant confirmation, scalable Nakamoto consensus, efficient proof of work, security, that block DAC I was talking about, Casper over on Rust. The fair launch was on November the 7th, 2021. Ghost DAG, which improves the Phantom protocol with Ghost DAG. It's a scalable ecosystem and also pruning. The core features and technology are below. They obviously go into so much detail. If I were to read all this out for you, you would probably switch off. So obviously use that link down below. Do your own due diligence and make sure this is one of them that you are looking to add to your portfolio. Okay, but if we head on over to CoinMarketCap again on the 7-day time frame, we can see that we were making some massive moves up. We have taken a bit of a decline. However, in the last 7 days, it has gone up a massive 14%. And the volume in the last 24 hours has increased by 33%. Okay, so that's 33% in the last 7 days. And again, if we head on over to TradingView, another interesting feature has happened. This was always going to happen. If you see any of my videos, this never worries me as a trader myself, because the market has to go down, okay? The reason why this has gone down as well is if I get the rectangle over, you can see that this section here, the market took such a hike upwards that it's left that gap. The market has to come down, at least touch into it before rallying back up to the upside. Okay, so now what we can see is that it's doing that movement down that I mentioned, and then it will go up, probably retest the top of that fair value gap, that purple box, and then it will rally and keep going up. The reason why I say this is because we broke the structure back on the 21st of April, which is the beginning of the week that I'm talking about. And then it retested and it's obviously flying off. And this is obviously going to be one of them that pushes it onwards and onwards. We can see the volume in the last 24 hours supports that as well, because there's multiple people getting involved, getting into this section. Now, we've gone over the features of Casper. It's obviously one of them that is probably a hidden gem in the cryptocurrency world, and at just 9 cents per coin, let's be honest, this is something that definitely is going to grow and get larger as it scales. So we've got Casper at 0.09 and also Arbitrum at 0.33. But there we have it, guys. Those were my top 2 crypto coins under $1. Let me know if you think there is any other coin under $1 that I should incorporate into the next video. But thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.